G'day folks, Connor here from CW's Tech Reviews, back with another video, and today we're doing slow motion test on the Motorola Moto G7. So we're going to do the slow motion that comes in the box, and we're also going to do 1080p 60 frames per second and then slow it down. We've got a few different shots here from throughout the day, so just see what it is and see what you make of it. Comments down below and I'll catch you soon. And I forgot to mention, as usual, we have Connor the Catboy helping us out. So let's go check it out.